Welcome to Tuesday to Tips. My name is Jeanette Kirkham. I am Product Development Manager at Kimberbell. Lori's still enjoying her time off, so I'm taking over this week too. So this week we're talking about Fusible Applique. So this is going to be if you're using one of our patterns that's a sewing version only. So I've pulled our Hello Sunshine book, and we're going to just show you, this is going to be part one, so we'll go over part two next week. But we're just going to start and we're going to make the cute cupcake block and show you how to do that. So the things that you need to get started is your pattern, and I have my fabric, and I have an iron and scissors and a pencil, and then you need a product called, and you can kind of see there's a shiny side and there's a paper side of it. So this is kind of what the packaging would look like. Is that this is the Heat and Bond Light, so it's more a lighter purple color. You can buy it by the yard or in packages, and you can just check your local quilt shop to see if they sell that by the yard. Our local quilt shop sells it by the yard. So to start, what you're going to do is find the pattern that you're going to trace, and our patterns are here. You can see we already have them in reverse ready for tracing. So you would just take your fusible web and place it over the pattern, and you can see right through that. So then you're just going to take your pencil and you just trace like exactly on the lines like that. So you'd have it traced. So here it is, all traced and ready to go. And then you just take your scissors and you just do like a bubble cut. So you just want to cut around it, but not exactly on the lines. So you can see I would just cut them apart until they're all apart. So this is, like I've bubble cut this one, so we're ready. And then you take this with your iron and you use your piece of fabric, and you want to put it on the wrong side of the fabric. So you turn it to the wrong side of the fabric and you place it on the fabric, and then you use your iron and you're going to iron it onto that fabric so that it's stuck on there. So you can see like it's stuck on here. And then you're going to take your scissors, and this time when you cut out exactly on the line. So that's what you do, and so you're just going to do that all the way around the whole thing. And I have another one here, being super prepared. So here it is, all cut out. You can see the whole piece I've just cut out on the line. So you're going to do that for every piece of your block. So with the cupcake block, it also has the cupcake bottom. So we have both of these pieces, and then all you have to do, and the Heat and Bond works so good with this, is you just peel off the paper liner, and you can see my fabric is like shiny on the back. It's left like a glue on there that's heat activated. And so I just do that with both of my blocks. And then I take my background fabric and I lay it out, and you just want to center these on the block, and you just want to do a tiny bit of an overlap on them. So you can just see that frosting goes on top of that cupcake liner. And then you take those, and then again you just apply a warm iron to them and push on that, and then you can see it's stuck. It's all stuck down. This is just going to stay right on this block. So this is how you get it started. So this is the end of part one. And part two, we're going to talk about different ways that you would stitch around the cupcake block to make it finished. So there's different stitches that you would use for different instances, and then so that would be part two next week.